In this episode of AME News, George Mason University's Ethiopian Student Association celebrated the various East African cultures, namely Ethiopian, Somalian, and Eritrean, by incorporating the various cultural dances, fashion, and art. Here's some highlights from the event.
Them say life is sweeter than, but you for take it easy and make you know the rush and blow your meter on. Just get your hustle on, then be fly you day for land. Use your head and use your hand. Don't you envy brother man? After all we all be one, no yeah. So keep doing what you're doing and don't watch nobody. Now who you for listen to? Be Baba God, mankind go give you story, but in the end they go leave you lonely. So make your own story, yeah. Wallah, maybe I made you no bankoma. I keep moving on, I'm a soldier. I never lose the title.
So the reason I joined this website was to find myself a honey bun.
The elbows, the feet, especially the feet.
Yeah? Repeat this one? Say it again.
I love the way the toes curl when the lady's giving me. I'm sorry, guys. I got ahead of myself.
Seven sama seven sama seven sama and seven sama seven sama seven sama and seven sama 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 seven sama. It's Mr. Baby. Take a look at you, girl. See the way you move, girl. Pick up with you, girl. Girls on the bed, what's in I do, girl? Take a look at you, girl. See the way you move, girl. I'll pick up with you, girl. I know yeah, what's in I do, girl. Hey, yes, my head is on. Yes, my body is shake. Yes, my eye is move. Now I go die for you. I don't know what's in I do, what's in I do, okay. I don't know, my baby. I don't wanna leave. Salam ya gere sau, salam wenze sau, salam ya gere sau, እንደምን አላችሁ እንኳን ለባህሎ በሰላም መጣችሁ የፍቅር የሰላም የደስታ ያድርግላችሁ ሰላም ya gere sau, salam wenze sau, salam ya gere sau, እንደምን አላችሁ እንኳን ለባህሎ በሰላም መጣችሁ ከፍ ይበል ባንዲራው ፍቅር መግለጫችሁ
So is it real? Phone calls, texting every day, is it real? Do you even know her middle name? Because what's real? It's never really where the fun's at. So when you make her future a present, she can't wait to unwrap. Now tell me, what is love before marriage other than lust without commitment? And I ain't doubting your intentions, I just doubt I'll ever mention that your love is a drug that needs countless recognition, and I recognize we live in a world where half the marriages end quicker than I can take a picture with my parents and friends. So picture this. Keep lusting for your Kodak moment. I'm painting a permanent picture. All you have are throwback moments.
Asito adabai we persito adami deksa Tapu ina wajin sirpia sebe yubegadisa Wenane natabachi simesitu nagamachi sawesitu natabachi sa Asito adabai we persito adami deksa Jinsi ripia sebe yubegadesa Wanane natabachi simesitu nagamachi sawesitu natabachi sa Bibinesh kurtele markone
አይሄድም ጊዜ ሳይረዝም ወራት እርዳኝ አምላኬ እስቲ እንድነግራት አልፈርድም ባንቺ ስለማታውቂው ማይናገረው አፌን አስተኪው ባፌ ተናጎሽ ባወሽ መውደድን ምናለ ባመሰገነን.
Look at your grave, I'm digging. Ow. Look at this fame I did with. Ow. Any of you niggas know the any? Now you come with my niggas. How? With women only want me for dough. Well, baby, it's your. Hey, hey, hey. Cause we gon' throw these drinks in the air. And I'ma give a toast to my niggas. My niggas. My niggas. My niggas, all that I need is my niggas. My niggas. My niggas. My niggas, all that I need is my niggas. They tell me keep my enemies closer, not keep my family closer. I don't fuck with that notion. Got a couple of women, I see them coming and going. Yeah, my niggas.
In the booty? Lord have mercy. I just can't take my eyes off of that, y'all.
You know, I love him. I love him.
So you were the past ESA president 2 years ago. Where do you think the ESA is going to the future? Are they improving as an organization? What have you seen differently that the ESA hasn't done before?
Yeah, they're definitely improving. So when I was president, we did some shows, but a lot of them were independent as an ESA, but now I've seen several shows where they collaborated with the African Student Association. Right now they're collaborating with the Somalian Association, the Eritrean Association, so they're able to work with the groups a lot more. And we're having, you know, the whole East Africa compared to a lot more independent programs, so I think they're growing a lot.
A local artist, Nebi, showcased her artwork at the ESA event. Here's Mustafa with the interview.
Okay. Hello, world. This is Habo_hippie, HABOHIPPIE. I am a young Eritrean artist representing the Horn of Africa.
That's it for this episode of AME. Check out the full event in the description below.